Ano naman ang plano ni Mila? Gusto naman umakyat sa taas. Hindi pwede kasi nandito na si Mami. Mami, not allowed Mila to go to my room. Okay? Are you okay? Not okay. But Mami, go holiday again, then Mila can run, go upstairs. Okay? But now, Mila, stay here in kitchen, living room, and then Mila room. Cannot go upstairs because your messy there. Your hair drop so many. So that's why Mommy not allowed. Your mommy not allowed Mila go upstairs. So Mila stay here only. Okay? So Mila stay here, play her toys, and then sleeping, eating, and then walking. Okay? Understand or not? Understand? Oh, understand. Okay. Now, so don't be sad if Mila not allowed. So Mila cannot sleep here. Okay? Mila is here only stay. You can run, go to the balcony, to the kitchen, to the living room, play in the sofa. Oh. Hey, why? Why you not looking at me? Look at me. Look at me here, here. Here, look at me here. So, are you happy now? Are you happy? Happy? Oh, okay, happy. Is that is happy. But if the nose down is not happy, right? If the nose up like that, and then happy, okay? Wow! Look that. Mela the monkey. Ano gani ambal ni Daddy? Kita very stubborn. Oi, okay, sleep there. Mila sleeping there. Wow, very good. Mila hiding there. Wow, beautiful Mila. Wow, look. Wow, beautiful Mila. Wow, sleeping. Wow, cute Mila.